area bounded by the curve y is equal to negative 2 times mod x and y is equal to x times of mod x. So we can write y is equal to negative 2 mod x is equal to, so we can write here minus 2 into mod positive x when x is greater than or equals to 0, or minus 2 into minus x when x is less than 0. So that is negative 2x for x is greater than or equals to 0 and positive 2x when x is less than 0. And coming to the next one, y is equal to x mod x, which is equal to x into mod x can be taken as plus x when x is greater than or equals to 0, and again x into negative x when x is less than 0. So which implies here x into x is x square when x is greater than or equals to 0 and negative x square when x is less than 0. And now here we can see that the graph of these two functions y is equal to negative y is equal to 2x when x is less than 0. So we can get the graph when x is equal to negative 1 it is negative 2, when x is equal to negative 2 it is negative 4, means you are getting the graph this way. Similarly, when x is positive greater than or equals to 0, so we can consider when x is equal to plus 1, minus 2 into plus 1 is minus 1, minus 2 sorry, and again when x is equal to 2, we can say negative 4. So you are getting the graph this way. So this is minus 2 mod x. And coming to the graph, y x mod x, we can say when x is greater than or equals to 0, it is the curve, it's a parabola, y is equal to x square here, and y is equal to negative x square. So we can get like this. And here we can say that the area bounded by this curve, clearly we can see this area. So to get the point of intersection, let's solve it. Solving y is equal to minus 2 mod x and y is equal to x mod x. So we can write y is equal to y upon negative 2 is equal to mod x. Substitute here x into y upon minus 2. So which implies x is equal to negative 2. So when x is equal to negative 2, we can say y is equal to minus 2 into negative of 2 mod. So which is equal to minus 2 into 2 is negative 4. So we can say this point of intersection is minus 2 comma minus 4. So here x is minus 2 and here it is a 0. So and hence we can say that the area of the region is integral minus 2 to 0 upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve can be taken as, and it is a negative case, whenever x is negative we can consider 2x. So this upper curve is x square, negative x square we can write. Negative x square minus, and the lower curve can be taken as a, when x is less than 0, 2x and dx. Since the area is obtained below the x-axis, so we can consider area is equal to mod integral minus 2 to 0 minus x square minus 2x dx, which is equal to minus 2 to 0, integration of negative x square is minus x to the power of 3 upon 3 minus integration of x is x square upon 2 dx. Sorry, this is already integral. So here it is mod. So over the limits minus 2 to, so over the limits minus 2 to 0. So upper limit can be taken as 0 upon 3 minus 2 into 0 square upon 2 is 0. And the lower square if consider minus of minus 2 whole cube divided by 3 minus 2 times of negative 2 whole square upon 2, which is equal to minus of, this is minus 8, so minus of minus plus 8 upon 3 minus minus 2 whole square is 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 upon 2. So here we can write minus 8 common, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, that is 2 minus 3 upon 2 into 3. So we can say minus 8 into negative 1, that is 8 upon 2 3s are 6, or we can say 2 4s are 2 3 times, so 4 by 3. So the required area is 4 upon 3, which is option D.